Welcome. If you've ever missed important messages because you accidentally muted a chat in Messenger, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to quickly unmute notifications for any chat, so you never miss an alert again. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Once you're in, look for the chat you want to unmute. Muted chats usually have a small muted bell icon next to them, making them easy to spot. Tap on the chat to open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see the name of the person or group. Go ahead and tap on their name. This will take you to the chat settings page, where you can customize how you receive notifications for this conversation. Next, find the option labeled Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it and you'll see a switch at the top of the screen. If notifications are muted, this switch will be turned off. Simply toggle the switch to turn notifications back on. That's it. You've now unmuted notifications for this chat. From this point forward, you'll start receiving alerts whenever you get a new message in this conversation. If you're still not getting notifications, make sure that Messenger has permission to send notifications on your device. On Android, go to your phone's settings, tap on Apps, find Messenger, and check that notifications are allowed. On iPhone, head to Settings, then Notifications, and make sure Messenger is enabled. Managing your chat notifications gives you full control over your Messenger experience. Now, you can stay connected and never miss an important message again. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make the most of your Messenger app.